Friday, everyone. We have the final lunch meal of the week. And Brandon, what are we bringing? What box are we using today? Bento Kids, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Okay, so we got Bento Kids. We got our regular thermos here. And let's see what we got. All right. Okay, so what do we have today?
A thermos water bottle with water in it. This is not just hello, but that is almost about 20 pieces. And grapes with pineapple.
So we have here, he was saying his thermos of water. We have chicken nuggets that are in the shape of dinosaurs. We have some pineapple, grapes. We have peas, green peas, and then we have the Hello Panda chocolate cookies. He's actually never had one before, but he loves chocolate.
Yes, I did.
You did? When?
I remember it a long time ago.
Okay, so anyway, he says he did. I don't know, but maybe somebody shared it with him. I'm not sure. But anyway, so we're going to see if he likes them, which I think he will. I'm kind of guessing that when we get home today, we're going to see a whole bunch of peas still left, and the pandas are going to be gone. The grapes are going to be like almost gone because it looks like a lot now that I'm looking at it. And then I'm guessing like not all of the chicken nuggets will be gone. I think almost all of it will be gone. So I don't know. We'll see.
What if I eat all of it?
That would be ideal. That would be ideal. So we never know with him. Sometimes he comes home with them done. Sometimes he doesn't. Sometimes he always skips vegetables. So I mean, that's like a given. But maybe he'll surprise us today and finish all his peas, or at least like half of his peas. I don't know, guys. But today, honestly, I woke up and it was like the last day of the week, and between working, making my lunches, meal prepping for, our family and everything like that, I was like, we're just going to do these chicken nuggets and that's it. So that's his treat for the week, the final end of the week. But anyways, we will see what he eats at the end of the day. Bye.
Bye.
It's Friday afternoon, last day of school, and what did you get, Brandon? Okay, you got a book. Besides the book, Brandon, show them your lunch.
Today did it a doctor book.
Okay.
And my lunch.
Okay, let's see what you ate. And here we go. Hurry up. Okay. All right, so he finished his dinosaur nuggets. He finished his, what was over here? Grapes. And he's hiding his peas. You guys remember we gave him peas this morning, right? And so now he's eating some peas. He still has a few pineapple. No, I think he only ate one pineapple. And did you eat any of the Hello Pandas?
Mm-hmm.
Did you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Yep, so he only ate a couple of these. So he ate the main course, which is good, and he ate one of the fruits, and now he's beginning to finish all his peas for whatever reason. So that is what he ate, and we will catch you guys next week. All right, bye. Have a good weekend.